Welcome back to this video. So my friends, we have made the app that every GPU user need. In fact, RTX 50 series, you don't need this. Okay, what this app is doing is making your graphics card runs MFG. Okay, if you have RX 580, GTX 960, wherever, every GPU that supports DX12 will run this. What our app do is just adding DLSS Enabler mode to your game. It's doing everything automatically. So first thing we have to do is downloading the app from our website. Okay, after extracting the files, we have here the app. Go here and run this. These are going to be removed in the near future because we already have certification from Microsoft, so we are just waiting for the next Windows Defender update. Okay, now let's run anyway, and we have the app here. Give it some time to load the games, and as you can see, you can install the mod by one click and uninstall it by one click. If a game doesn't appear here, you can press add game and go to your game specific location. Go here, for example, Cyberpunk. Let's select this, and as you can see, we have added the game. And to install the mod, just press install. Mod installed. As you can see, if the game is in HDD or a slow PC, give it some time to install and copy files. If we just open folder location, we go here, as you can see, the mod is already installed. Also, you can show unsupported games or show only supported games. Another thing, please, if you are facing a problem with the app, if a game doesn't work, for example, we have RA Requiem, you can install the mod, it says supported, but it won't work because you have to add REFramework manually. Okay, now let's run Cyberpunk to see our mod if is really working. What I did is enabling DLSS frame generation and restarting the game. Now let's see if our mod is really working. I have an RTX 3060, so just to know, OptiScaler is included with this mod. As you can see here, you can tweak your DLSS presets wherever you want. And let's just close this. If we just press this key in our keyboard, this menu will be opened. We have to enable Ghost Booster here to reduce ghosting that comes from multi-frame generation, and we can enable stats bar to see our FPS or our base frame rate, and we can also override our MFG to 6 times if you want. Let's try this. As you can see, it's working. This looks incredible on my 200 Hz monitor 2K, as you can see, but I don't prefer to use 6 times. So as you can see, it's working. I think this is amazing. Remember, we are going from 40 frames to 150, so if we have more base frame rate, the experience will be better, of course. Let's try just for the video. As you can see, this is so good, and that looks amazing. I hope you report any bug or any problem with the mod to my Discord. Thank you for watching, and hey, subscribe, man. Thank you.